Assalamu alaikum. I just wanted to sell this mm, Bluetooth keyboard. I actually purchased for work. It's brand new, never been used. Um, it comes with the Bluetooth, which is you just take it out from here, plug it in your laptop, and then start working. That's how simple and easy it is. You just plug in and start. Very nice, sleek design. I think this is a wonderful invention for those who are working from home and need some distance from their screen. Comes with these three colors on the side: blue for the boys, pink for the ladies, and cream one for the neutrals, I believe. Also come with 1 year's official warranty from Logitech. In my opinion, this is a wonderful choice. Very nice. It even came with installed two batteries. It looks really nice. Awesome. Awesome. Thank you very much. I purchased this from Draz, by the way, and the seller I purchased is selling Logitech. It's an official store in Draz. He's doing a wonderful job. I'm really amazed the service. I'm really amazed and happy with the keyboard and the response from Bluetooth, plus extra covers, two extra covers, with the official warranty and timely delivery. Thank you very much, Taraz.